If you are struggling to find KDP book ideas that actually sell on Amazon KDP, you are tired of publishing generic books that get lost in the sea of competition on Amazon KDP, what if I told you that there is a low content book niche that is in steady demand, has almost no serious competition, and is practically easy to create? Even if you're just getting started with Amazon KDP, you can actually create this book, because the essence of publishing books on Amazon KDP is so that your book can be seen and be sold. So after spending time creating a book and you publish it, no single sale for a month, it can be so discouraging and so overwhelming, which is why you need to stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be revealing to you one of the most underrated KDP niches out there that self-publishers are using to increase their monthly royalties on Amazon KDP. Whether you're just starting Amazon KDP or you're looking for your next profitable niche, this might just be your next bestseller. Before I go further, you are welcome if you're seeing this channel for the first time. My name is Stacy, and on this channel, I always share different ways to make extra income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online platforms. So if you resonate with this type of content, all you need to do is to just subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. So in this video, I'm showing you a good KDP niche that is making the money for some self-publishers on Amazon KDP. The niche is called Pet Health Record Book. This niche is in steady demand. It is an evergreen niche on Amazon KDP. It's a book idea that is worth trying, because pet owners are the most dedicated buyers of this particular niche on Amazon KDP, and they are constantly looking for tools to help manage their pet at home. So you see why this niche is always in steady demand, because pet owners are always searching for a book like this to help manage their little friends at home. And here's the best part: you can actually narrow down this niche to a particular pet like guinea pig, dog, or parrot, depending on what you feel like writing on. You can say parrot health record book, dog health record book, but the general niche is pet health record book. So you can actually narrow it down to get your book ranked highly on Amazon KDP. But I will just be telling you about this niche. I'm going to be showing you why this niche is an evergreen. We're going to be analyzing the real Amazon search results to check competition level, explore demand using niche search tools, and even look at the kinds of interior that are selling. You just see how simple it is to create this book. You don't need any design experience or any creativity to get started. Even if you have not created any book on Amazon KDP, you can actually start with this one. Now, when analyzing any niche, I always look out for three things to ascertain that that my book will be sold when I publish it. So I always look out for, I always check competition, I will check demand, and I'll check the keyword search. Now, to determine demand, I'll be checking total search results. So looking at this, for this pet health record book, total search result is given 652. Now, when a total search result is within 1,000 or below 1,000, it is an indication that that niche is less competitive, because many people have not yet published on that niche. So total search result is given 652. It has ascertained that the competition is low, and that if I publish my book, I have the chance of having my book rank high, or having my book seen on the first page of Kindle Store. And furthermore, Checking independently published is just 31 individuals have created and published this book, which shows that competition is still very much low and I have a chance of publishing this book. Now, to determine if people are actually searching for this niche on Amazon KDP, I'll use niche score to ascertain that. And here, niche score is giving 75%. Usually, when a niche score is between 50% and above, it shows that that niche will do well, that people are really searching for that book on Amazon KDP. So with this niche score being 75, it has ascertained the fact that this niche is going to do well, that if I publish my book will be seen and to be sold, because there's no point publishing a book that nobody is searching and no one is buying. The third thing I'll be checking out is demand. So to check demand, I'll be checking to ascertain demand of this book. I'll be checking one or two books published by individuals, independently published on the first page of Kindle Store to give me a clear picture of the level of demand for this book, because there's no point publishing a book that nobody is buying. So it's one thing for people to search for a particular book on Amazon KDP, is another thing for them to place order and buy that book. So to ascertain that, I'll be checking one or two books published by individuals on the first page of Kindle Store to ascertain demand for this book. This is the first book published by individual. As you can see, published and independently published. Now, this book has up to 120 pages, and the bestseller rank is showing 111,335. Usually, when a bestseller rank is from 300,000 and below, it shows that that seller is recording at least a copy a day. So, with 111,335 as a bestseller rank, this seller is actually making sales every day, and the price of this book is $4.99. When you check $4.99 to ascertain how much this seller is making with bestseller rank of 111332, you can see that this seller is recording 3 copies a day and 90 copies per month. To ascertain how much it's making every day with price of $4.99, you can see that this seller is recording $2 per day and $75 per month. Now, this might be small for some persons, but when you have a book like this, about 5 or 6 books like this, giving you $75 per month, and you accumulate them, the money will be enough for you in a month. So don't look at this. What matters is that you're having consistent profits every month. So this is actually good for a self-publisher. So this is the first person. And when you check different categories where this book is, the bestseller rank 113335 is when you rank it across all books on Amazon KDP. And you can see that in other categories where this book can be found, it is ranking 1 in veterinary immunology. And when you check 1 as a to determine how much this person is making a whole lot. So, and it's ranking 31 in immunology, ranking 63 in dog care and health. So you can see in other categories is ranking very high, and across all books on Amazon KDP is ranking 111,335. So this is an indication that this seller is recording sales every month. The bestseller rank has ascertained that. This is the second person independently published, also 120 pages, and it is ranking 213,027 in books across all books on Amazon KDP. In other categories where it can be found, it's ranking 609 in dog care. So, and it has 111 reviews, which show that almost every person that purchased this book left a review. So this is an indication that these sellers are actually making sales every month. So having determined the competition, the keyword search using niche score, and the bestseller rank and the demand using bestseller rank, you can see that this niche is something that is worth trying. When you check the bestseller rank across the average bestseller rank from this table here, you can see that the lowest is 13,937, which is a good indication that there is a kind of demand for this book. So it's a book idea that is advisable you try to publish if you are looking for ways to increase your monthly earning on Amazon KDP. Now I'm going to be showing you the interior of one of these books to show you that you can actually create this book by yourself. So it's not something that is too difficult for you to do. To show you that this book is actually very easy to create, anyone can actually create this. I'll be checking one of the books, the interior of one of the books to show that. So I'll be checking this particular one, Pet Health and Wellness Logbook, Medical Record Keeper, and Monthly Pet Care and Activity Planner and Organizer Journal. So once you click on it, you see how the interior looks like. So this is how the interior looks like. Is a planner, a record book. So it's made up of few lines, few words, and no diagram. So it's practically how you can create yours using this sample or any sample you can see on the first page of Kindle Store. Your interior can include vet visits, vaccination records, medication log, weight tracker, nose section, or whatever you want to include in your own record. So this is practically how you can create your own using this sample. So I'm not going to go into details on how you can create a planner or a logbook, because if you can create a logbook and a planner, you can actually create this record book. It's just similar. I've made videos on how you can create a logbook. So I'm going to be attaching the link to the videos in the description of this video. Okay, you may want to click on it to watch how you can create this. You can do this using Microsoft Word, or you can do it using Canva. It's simple to create. If you watch a video where I talked about how to create a logbook, you can also design this using Canva or Microsoft Word. So you can see that it's actually very easy to create, and you can do this and duplicate it into different books on other types of other pet types with minimal changes. Once you create this for instance, if you're creating for dog health record book, you can make minimal changes to do for parrot, to different other types of pets. So, and you can have similar books that have you can have this kind of book like many of them. And if you're earning like $100 per month for each of them, at the end of the month, you can accumulate and make above $1,000 a month. So this is a book to try. Like I said, this book idea, this niche is an evergreen niche, and the competition is very low. It is in steady demand. It is not seasonal because pet owners are always in need of this book to keep track of the health of their pets. So it's a book idea that you need to try to increase your monthly royalty on Amazon KDP. And the good part is that pet owners are the most loyal buyers you can ever have. And once you create your book and it come out very well, definitely you will be seeing sales all the time on your dashboard, because this niche is an evergreen niche and it is in steady demand. And I've used real data to analyze to show you competition level, demand, and keyword search. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this book idea, and also if you have any question regarding this, you can also drop in the comment section. Thank you for watching. That was all for this video. I will see you again in my next video.